Ordering food.
Here is your coffee, Al.
Thank you.
And here's your water.
Thank you.
You guys ready to order?
What do you like to have for breakfast?
I usually like to have an omelet.
That sounds good. I'll have a cheese omelet.
Okay, 1 omelet.
Do you have pancakes?
Yes, how many would you like?
3, please. And bacon.
3 pancakes and bacon. Would you like toast?
Toast. Toast sounds good. Yes, 3 pieces of toast.
Would you like anything else?
Do you have any fresh fruit?
Yes, today we have fruit salad.
Okay, fruit salad, and that's all.
Fruit salad. How about you, Bob? What would you like to eat?
I would like hamburger and ice cream.
Excuse me?
I would like hamburger and ice cream, please.
A hamburger and ice cream for breakfast? Are you crazy?
No, I'm hungry.
Okay, 1 hamburger. What kind of ice cream do you want?
What kind of ice cream do you have?
Let's see, we have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry.
Vanilla, please.
Vanilla. Okay.
What do you like to have for breakfast?
I usually like to have an omelet.
That sounds good. I'll have a cheese omelet. Do you have pancakes?
Yes, how many would you like? How about you, Bob? What would you like to eat? What kind of ice cream do you want?